unrealistic as it sounds and might be, a humanoid robot that Tesla CEO Elon Musk says one day will be able to do anything that humans might not want to do is apparently under development.
The company calls the robot Optimus and is expected to show off the prototype this fall. SpaceX CEO Elon Musk shared an update about the Tesla bot Optimus. He announced that his company's Android would debut on AI Day, September 30th, 2022. Tesla bots are initially positioned to replace people in repetitive, boring, and dangerous tasks. But the vision is for them to serve millions of households, such as cooking, mowing lawns, and caring for the elderly.
A huge indicator that this is real, or at least something they are committing to invest in, is they are actively looking for help in making it.
There are several job listings on Tesla's website for engineers, managers, architects, and more to work on the Optimus team.
So unlike Tesla phones and other ideas that has remained a concept, this appears to be a project they are really considering.
The EV firm owner said that the robot would have human-like body parts. Also, it would have a similar weight, height, and movement as a regular person. The Tesla bot would weigh 125 pounds and stand 5 feet and 8 inches tall. Also, it would pick up and carry objects and walk in small steps. The android would be able to deadlift 150 pounds, meaning it could carry that weight off the ground. Its face will have a screen as an interactive interface for communicating with people. Moreover, Tesla's full self-driving computer will power the android. It would also use the same interface found in current Tesla models. Musk said he intended the humanoid design so that the Tesla bot would adapt to human society. He explained, if we want a robot to adapt to its environment and be able to do what humans do, it has to be roughly the same size, shape, and capabilities as a human. He confirmed that he would focus on enhancing the Tesla bot's intelligence and solving the problem of large-scale production. As a result, Musk hopes the robot's usefulness will improve as production scales up and costs go down.
Musk saw a future where his home robots will be cheaper than cars.
He stated, perhaps in less than a decade, people will be able to buy a robot for their parents as a birthday gift. He first announced the Tesla bot on last year's AI Day and shared a few renderings. However, many people were worried that it resembled the NS5 robots from the 2004 sci-fi film Rebot. Musk allayed these fears by saying, "It's intended to be friendly, of course." He added that people could outrun and outpower the Optimus if they wanted. Elon Musk said in AI Day 2021, "We should be worried about AI. What we're trying to do here at Tesla is to make useful AI that people love and is unequivocally good."